Hello YouTube, how y'all doing today? Today we are taking a look at this GTmedia N2 night vision device. Now I have previously done a review on their N4, which I found to be very useful. That's their higher end unit. This is their lower end unit. This is more inexpensive, but still usable. So let's take a look at this package here, see what we get, and unbox this guy. And you can see right in the front here, it takes 1080p video. Okay, we get this guy open. Comes with a nice semi-hard case, which is a nice feature. Here's our unit. You can see that compared to the size of my hand. It's about the size of my hand. Comes with a little storage bag. Nice straps, so you can wear it like binoculars. Now another thing I'm going to point out on these is they also have a conventional tripod mount. So you can put them on a tripod and surveil. Comes with a memory card, USB-C charger, manual, and the old lens cloth. And that appears to be a 32 gigabyte memory card. So plenty of room for your video. Now let's get to the unit. We pop off our little battery devices here. Now this is not rechargeable. The USB-C is for getting the video off it. Just wanted to point that out. And that's where your memory card's going to go. And this unit takes 6 batteries. Now these only go on one way, so you can't mess it up. Okay, and the controls are right up here, are very easy to use. You can see we have the infrared illuminator here, the power button, the menu, the mode, and the shot, which is like take a photograph type of thing. Now you can see this as a nice big view screen. Now to turn this on, you're going to have to hold the button down for a few seconds so it won't turn on automatically in your backpack on you. But this is a very basic yet functional unit. You have your focus right here for forward and near. And this is going to be your illuminator. Now it's 850, and 850 is visible at night to the naked eye. So if you want something that you could sneak around with and not be counter detected, you want to find something with a 940 illuminator. This is going to be great for things like search and rescue. This would be great, you know, a wildlife person who wants to watch animals moving at night, looking for predators or trespassers or that sort of thing. This would be good if you were hunting in the morning before the sun comes up. Once you've gotten to your tree stand, you could start surveilling with this right away. And at dusk, there's like a 15-20 minute period every day where it's really, really dim early in the morning and late at night where it's difficult to see with your naked eye. And this would help you to find animals in that time frame. So let's take this thing and we'll see. It fits right here very nicely in our pouch. This is a nice chest rig, and it fits perfectly right in this chest rig. You can see. And this is a very light unit. It weighs significantly less than 1 pound. I'll put the specifications on the screen right here. Okay, folks, so what we're going to do is we're going to get out here at night. We're going to take some video. We're going to show you how this guy works. And then we'll come back and wrap it up. All right, folks, we are out here at night with the N2. And I'm using a handheld light just to show you that what it looks like all lit up out here. I can't actually focus it right now because I have my hands full with the flashlight and the N2. I'm going to turn this off and we'll go to night vision mode. There we are, we're dark. Now it's adjusting to the ambient lighting, which is very, very low. I'm out in a homestead and it is very dark out here, and I have the illuminator turned off. So right now what it's picking up is ambient lighting only, and it's actually, it picks up ambient lighting quite well. That blur over there, let's see if we can't focus that better. That, as you can see, is a building. Pretty good focus now. 250 yards away with no illumination. And this over here is a building 150 yards away with no illumination. Now I'm looking at that with my naked eye, and I cannot see that building at all. So this does amplify light better than what you would get with just your naked eye. With no illuminator, there is an effect. You can see it very clearly now. You could see people walking over there now. On illumination 1, you cannot see that illuminator. It's pretty much invisible. I just stuck my head on the other side of the camera there, and you cannot see any red glow. So that's pretty impressive. That's a pretty clear picture. You could definitely see someone walking around over there. Okay, let's kick it up to illumination 2. Let's try 3. Now we can really see the vehicle in that garage. Max illumination is 7. So we're max illuminated right now. So your first 2 modes are no illuminator. Alright? And you're just running off ambient lighting. And it is actually quite effective. Now once you turn the illuminator on, it is an 850, so you can see it. But you know, that may or may not matter for you. Like if you were doing search and rescue or something like that, who cares if there's a glow? If in a situation like that, well, it doesn't really matter if there's a red glow. Who cares? Okay, now we're looking over here at my gazebo. That's about 30 yards away, and I'm on a dark homestead, so you could see that that's like practically invisible. Here's passive 1, and you can see the outline of it, and if there was someone on there moving around, you would see them. So that passive mode actually works pretty decent. And then you hit the illuminator and it's clear as day. Now, if we look up at the sky, that's a half moon up there. And you can see how much that's illuminated beyond what a half moon would normally look like. So you could see that's the corner of my roof, or the arch of my roof. You could see there is a lot of amplification going on there. Okay, that's off. Then here's your passive 1, passive 2, and then I hit the illuminator and you can see the structure of my building. And we look over here and get some trees and bushes. You know, there's a chair. You know, for the price, there's my barbecue. Actually really could use these in an all-weather environment and search and rescue and that sort of thing, and even law enforcement or whatever, because of the passive mode, and you know, for the money. And you can see over there is my archery target. That's like 40 yards away or something like that. Pretty good performance. I'm pretty impressed with these things. For the money, really hard to beat. Alright folks, so we got to see how this functions. We got to see its features. You can see it takes nice video, and you can really legitimately see 250 meters at night with this thing. This, you know, we tested this out on my homestead. It's pitch black out here at night. You could see looking across my lake and whatever, and out on my property, that you could see pretty darn far. No problem at all. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Free My Me out.